This is why we keep coming back year after year. All of our friends love coming here too.
So here it's not very hot. Here equals.
You look up the
What? What's everybody looking at?
That doesn't fit you.
He's wearing the hat like all the cool kids do.
Something exciting at every turn. Welcome to one of the most naturally wild, up-close and personal views of nature within this picturesque Florida setting. Armadillos are recognized by their armored, leathery, and 9-banded shells with small eyes and long, pointy noses. They tend to have a litter of 4 genetically identical quadruplets each year. Fun fact, they are also excellent swimmers. Hi. A nature preserve, Circle B Bar offers a close glimpse into this haven, home to a plethora of animals, birds, and reptiles, including alligators, turtles, and unique wetland birds. There are no barriers and no fences between you and the wilds of the real Florida here. Would you walk these trails? Wait till you see the collection of up-close experiences we've had with so much wildlife visiting Circle B Bar Natural Preserve over the last few years, and why we keep coming back. This is a birding and photographer's paradise. There are 200 plus species. The open causeway section midway through Marsh Rabbit Run or at the culvert bench on Alligator Alley are where birds concentrate. Did you know sandhill cranes are one of the oldest bird species, with a fossil record dating back millions of years? The Florida sandhill crane doesn't migrate and resides in the Sunshine State year-round, and only an estimated 4,000 to 5,000 Florida sandhill cranes are left in the wild. He's making a nice shadow there. Circle B is on the Great Florida Birding Trail for a reason. Visitors marvel at observing roseate spoonbills, bald eagles, limpkins, anhingas, osprey, the sandhill cranes, wood storks, and many different kinds of heron. And the list goes on and on.
They're too far.
These social birds forage in groups,
Come closer to me, little spoonies.
often with other wading birds like herons and egrets. Even though the roseate spoonbills populations have recovered well after being hunted for their feathers in the past, it's always a special treat to observe these pink-feathered friends in the wild. Okay, that's a big boy. Hey, let's be honest, this is a big reason why visitors want to come here. These are big carnivores that eat fish, turtles, birds, and mammals, using their powerful jaws to capture and drown prey. Alligator Alley and the Lake Hancock Causeway is the section of Alligator Alley where lake and marsh flank both sides. We did see many smaller and larger alligators here, along with many other surprises. Oh look, we spotted some cute small alligators lounging in the bright green vegetation.
Look.
Alligators are found in all 67 Florida counties and thrive in freshwater lakes, slow-moving rivers, and swamps.
Is there one right there?
It's an alligator.
Where? Oh.
And he's like getting something.
He's definitely trying to get, maybe he's getting minnows. There were a lot of minnows in here. All living things need energy to survive. A food chain describes the hierarchy of how organisms obtain energy from one to the next. Look at this little guy. With an estimated 1.3 million alligators statewide, Florida's highest concentrations are found in Central and South Florida, with Orlando boasting the highest density per square mile.
That's the tricolored.
Yeah, I thought so. They're so beautiful. I just love the tricolored heron. It's a common, slender, medium-sized wading bird in Florida, and it features a distinctive white belly and white stripe on its neck, contrasting with blue-gray underparts. While hunting, they often use quick movements and dancing-like motions to catch small fish, unlike the patient, slow stalking of other herons. Turtles are frequently spotted here at this reserve in Lakeland, Florida. Many sightings are shared in special interest Facebook groups, often showing them sunbathing on logs alongside alligators, specifically cooter turtles, soft-shelled turtles, and snapper turtles.
Do you think? I don't think that's an alligator.
There's a Facebook group for everything. Alligators can consume turtles significantly larger than their own head size, often tackling prey weighing around 50 pounds or more by using their immense jaw pressure to crush shells, although they prefer softer prey. This turtle is too big for you. Can you spot the alligator?
Oh, doing it again.
Oh, it's the other one.
Florida alligators sunbathe with their mouths open, a behavior known as gaping, primarily to thermoregulate, releasing excess body heat to cool down.
I don't know that yawning so much as just maybe some food will fly in my mouth.
Because they are cold-blooded, this action helps them manage body temperature,
That's pretty funny.
dries out the mouth to prevent bacterial growth,
Maybe he's practicing his roar and nothing's coming out.
and presumably can act as a territorial warning.
Well, I only get to go in for like 2 minutes. She's like, let's go.
Here's a great blue heron, North America's largest heron. You've probably seen this large wading bird if you've spent any time in Florida, often found near freshwater and saltwater habitats, where it hunts fish, amphibians, and small mammals. As opportunistic predators, they kill and swallow small alligators whole, often playing with them first. What? Wow. They have well-developed night vision and are among the only herons that frequently hunt at night.
Are you drying off your wings?
Anhingas are often seen perched with wings spread to dry their feathers, as their plumage isn't as waterproof as other water birds. Hey, pretty moorhen. And here's another Superman turtle. This is actually a young little blue heron, which are pure white for their first year to help them blend in. They are identified by a distinctive two-toned bill, pale blue, gray at the base, with a black tip. The reserve is renowned for viewing large alligators, but be aware and view safely from shore or piers. They have up to 80 teeth at a time and can go through 2,000 to 3,000 teeth in a lifetime. Okay, this one's on the move, so are we. We always see a red-shouldered hawk or two. Actually, usually we hear them first, but this one is just hanging out. So pretty. And wow, it's always fascinating to see an anhinga swallow a fish whole. And this time we have an up-close view.
Now it's stuck on the twig.
The reason that the birds here let you get so close is because the trail levees keep you elevated and predictable, so birds have learned people don't leave the path.
What?
The anhinga, also called the snake bird or water turkey, is a large semi-aquatic bird known for its long neck and ability to dive and swim underwater to spear fish, amphibians, and crustaceans, then brings them to the surface to eat.
That's incredible.
Can you see the mating season iridescent blue-green ring of skin around the eye? We observe more really big alligators here. Look at all that hanging moss. And oh, there's another red-shouldered hawk. And what's a Florida excursion without spotting a raccoon?
We saw one of these last time. I love how they walk.
They look funny. The mini bear.
Oh my god, he's so cute.
The reserve here, located on the banks of Lake Hancock, provides an ideal habitat, allowing many alligators to grow to impressive, massive sizes. The wood stork is large and often called a prehistoric bird due to its bald, scaly head. It is the only stork that breeds in the U.S. It stands over 3 feet tall with a 5 to 6 foot wingspan. Although gangly and big, the Florida wood stork possesses a lightning-fast hunting reflex, closing its beak on prey in just 25 milliseconds, one of the fastest in the animal kingdom.
What are you doing? He came all the way down here and we didn't know it. You think? Is he?
These large, mature alligators frequently bask or spend their time near popular trails like Alligator Alley or at the banks of Lake Hancock, often exceeding 10 to 12 feet in length. Something's in the canal.
Where'd he go?
I can't see him now. I see the water moving to the left though.
Oh.
I can't believe we're seeing our first river otter here at Circle B Bar Reserve.
He's already gone down. Oh, I see him. I see him right here, Audra.
Is he on the backside of that little island?
He's on, yeah.
What's that?
Oh,
They are frequently seen hunting here, swimming or playing in the canals near Alligator Alley,
coming up. He's going down by you guys.
Marsh Rabbit Run,
He's
and the
that
lake
way.
shore. As we walk through the experience of being on a narrow levee with gators on both sides, alligator slides are visible everywhere on the banks.
What do you see?
Number 14.
Alligator.
Oh, no, I was counting trees.
There's a lot more than 14 trees.
And a lot more than 14 alligators.
Where's the alligator?
Okay.
Where is it? Oh, where?
There's one right there.
Oh, wow, look at you.
What is he doing?
Maybe he just ate something. Oh, and he's swallowing it?
Okay.
Oh, his head was just like straight out of the water.
I have a lot harder of a time identifying turtles for some reason. Is this one swimming around or did an alligator get him?
People come.
I think it would have looked more like this. Say turtle. What a smile. A solitaire roseate spoonbill this time. Where? Oh, yeah. I can't remember what he's called. This is a really neat wildlife blind overlooking this gorgeous view. There's always so many pretty landscapes and so much to see here at Circle B Bar Reserve. There's a great one here and over here. All right. This might be a really good time to give you my suggestion for the best short trail combination at Circle B Bar Reserve. Combine Shady Oak, Alligator Alley, and Heron Hideout for about a 2.2 mile loop that provides both shade and views of the lake. There are a few more goodies coming up to check out. First, help me out here. Can you help me identify these? Pond sliders are common, medium-sized, semi-aquatic turtles native to the southeastern U.S., known for basking and living in slow-moving water with vegetation. They have 3 subspecies, the rear-eared, yellow-bellied, and carmelin slider, distinguished by markings and most notably a red or yellow stripe behind the eye. These omnivores are popular pets but are considered invasive. Maybe this is a river cooter? Having a flattened, flared shell with yellow-orange markings on a dark background, and distinct yellow stripes on the head and chin. They are distinguished from similar turtles like sliders by their flatter shell, flat chin, and lack of a prominent ear patch. Either way, I think the alligators are happy they are here.
Do you think it's all tail?
I wonder, or maybe just his toes.
He's touching the ground.
There's no swishing at all involved. Look at his snout.
The primary turtle in Florida known for a distinct long snout is the Florida soft-shelled turtle, known for its flat, leathery, pancake-like shell. Oh, look at all the minnows surrounding him. This species uses its elongated tube-like snout as a snorkel to breathe while submerged in water. Headed back to the visitor center. Another anhinga, and this one has a really nice perch for drying the feathers.
I hear warblers all over the place.
This is a great place for the little songbirds. All singing their hearts out.
If you can, visit the Polk Nature Discovery Center beforehand to get your up-to-date insider information on recent wildlife sightings, tips for viewing, and to get any map updates. Always check ahead. Sections of trail are often closed due to mating season or trail maintenance. If you call ahead and time it right, this can be your tactical briefing before entering the field. The center is closed Mondays and doesn't open until noon on Sundays, so plan accordingly. You might get a suggestion such as, "Don't forget to look up."
You're gonna have to tell me if you like these or not.
A couple years in a row, we were so excited to get to observe great horned owls up in this big, massive tree in the parking lot nearest the entrance to the park. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a thumbs up. Please also leave a comment or suggestion. It's so great to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed seeking divine nature with us. Have a good night on the trail wherever you are on your journey.